today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an SSH key for GitHub. Once you push your code to GitHub securely without entering a password every time. Now in this video I'll show you how to set up an SSH key for GitHub in a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to check for existing SSH keys. And to do that, just open your terminal on Mac or Linux or Git Bash on Windows and type this code right here. I'm gonna show it in the notepad. The first code, this one right here, isal.ssh, this one. Pause the video to copy it. Now if you see an ID /RSA or an ID /ED25519, you already have an SSH key. The second step is to generate a new SS key. Now if you don't have one, generate it using this key right here, the second key that I'm gonna show you, this one, and add your email for example. Third step is to add the SSH key to the SSH agent, and you can start the agent by using this code right here, and once you copy it, add your SSH key, which is this one, this code right here. The fourth step is to add the SSH key to GitHub, and to do that, just copy this SSH key and copy it to go to GitHub, and then go to the settings and go to SSH and GPG keys and click new SSH key and pass it and save, and test the SSH connection by running this command to check if it's working. Let's see here, this is the command right here. You can use SSH for faster and more secure authentication, and if it doesn't work, check the firewall settings and re-add the key. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you set up an SSH key for GitHub. Generate the key, add it to GitHub, and test the connection. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.